Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How are you people doing today? Hope you're having a wonderful day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add braiding hair to your hair. As you can see, I divided the hair into three parts, right? And then I go ahead and plait it for about one, two, two steps, and then I am going to now add the braiding here to the hair. So as you can see guys, I place the hair on top of the head of the mannequin, and then I am just using my braiding hair to plait it in. As you can see, I place another one, and then I plait it in just like that. And guys, you're just going to repeat those steps of what I'm doing. Just repeat those steps until you feel that you have enough braiding here in the ear, and then that you can just plait it out to the end. But you just repeat these steps until you feel comfortable with the amount of hair that you have. And guys, feel free to watch this video as many times as possible so that you can learn to add hair. So this video is for those people who are just starting to learn how to add hair. This is not for advanced people who already know how to add braiding hair. This is for people who are trying and want to get the basic idea of how to add the hair. So if maybe you come across this video and you watch it and you may learn something from it, because we all learn from different people and we all learn differently. So maybe this method of what I'm doing, you will learn from it. So if you feel as if you can learn from it, you should just watch this video as many times as possible, and you will get the basic idea of how to add hair. So thank you guys for coming to view my video. I'm asking you if you could please like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, turn on your bell notification so anytime I post a video you will be able to see it. But continue watching and enjoy the video.